Hi, it's Chris from Duende Sounds, and I'm super happy to present you a short walkthrough to our new Duende Sounds app. It's a desktop app for Windows and Mac, so once you have downloaded and installed the app, you'll be seeing a login window, and the email and the password you want to put in are exactly the same as on our website. If you don't remember it, just click on forget your password and you'll be taken on to password reset on our site. You use the same password in the login page. This app can work offline as well. What you need to do is log in for the first time, and when you log in, the app will look up your account and see which products you have purchased in the past, and those products will be displayed in the app. Now, because this is a beta version, so far we have only Events and the Moods pack available for you to work with, which is over 1000 files anyway. But to start with, we only have these for you. And as the time goes, we'll be adding more and more packs as we tag them. Just close this window here, and what you can do now is start working with your packs. When you go to the All view, you'll see literally all the sounds that are coming from both of these packs, from the Events and from the Moods. You can now filter the sounds by the mood. You can filter them by instruments. And we also have literally just a cloud of tags that you can use. What you can also do is like choose an instrument and then narrow down further by selecting different tags, and then you can clear them here. You can work with MP3s and the WAV format. You need to choose which one you want to work with, by the way. When you first log in, what you'll see here is a little cloud. You can preview the sounds with no problems, all of them. But to actually use them and drag and drop them, you need to download them first. And what you can do is download each individual sound like this to download. And once it's downloaded, you'll see a little tick here. It means the file is ready, and you can now drag and drop it to your video editing app like this. You can also make the windows smaller, and you can drag and drop across like that. The other way, if you don't want to download all the sounds individually, what you can do is go to your settings and you can click Sync Now. And here is where you set up your folder. Okay, so you need to set your folder up. By default, it will be the folder that you chose to install your application to on your disk. So if you want to change it later after installing the app, you can do it here. And then when you click Sync Now, it will go and download all the files that you have access to. And if you have the WAV format selected, it will download only the WAV files. If you select MP3, it will download all the MP3 files. Just when it's fully done, it will say that your library has been successfully synced. Now, I've done it before, that's why it's gone really quick. So once you have all the files synced, instead of the little cloud, you'll see just a tick buttons. It means that all the files are ready to be used and you can start dragging. On the left hand side, you've got the views, and you can search and browse files basically by the pack, by the album. In the events, you'll see your full mixes, and you've got little drop downs here, and all those are your stems, so you can drag and drop all of them, and you'll basically build a track from these stems, and you can then delete the ones you don't like. So where the app is really powerful is in your browsing by kinds, and basically when you browse from all of the sounds at the same time that coming from all the various packs that you have purchased from us. The way I really like working with the sounds is when you start building your soundtrack from grounds up. So if you go to low tones, let's say we got some stock footage here with the couple on the beach, so we're probably looking for something calm, inspiring, nothing dramatic, heavy or energetic, something, I don't know, soothing. And if we play the first one, yeah, so that's nice. So let's drag and drop our first sound. Once you've got a sound coming from the low tones, let's move on to mid tones. And you can, again, you can filter by the instruments or by the mood, or by other tags. So let's select light. I like this one. So let's drop that on the front. Because it's a loop, it means the file will be really short and you can literally just copy and paste a few times. So when we play it together now, you can adjust the volumes to your liking. You can add a ocean sound. Okay, let's go to all the sounds. There we go, ocean. So let's drop that ocean sound. By the way, we'll be soon introducing a lot of Foley sounds as well. So not just tonal sound. I mean, the app is basically been created for all the musical sounds. So that's its main purpose. But I think those nice Foley sounds come really useful as well. If you really want to, level up your video as well, you probably want to be doing that as well. So let's introduce another sound. Those signature sounds come really useful. If you don't see anything, that's probably because you have typed something on the top here or applied some kind of tags. So you want to probably do that. And then probably too intense. That's really nice. Let's drop that. Now, if you look up at the file name of this particular moment sound, it will say it's got C at the beginning in the file name. So what you want to do in the app is go here and just select works on the C and then click OK. All those sounds will be musically matched with what you have going on here. Yeah, that's really nice. So this sound is like a hit. It's got a good transient, so it basically starts suddenly. It's not fading in. It's like a hit type of sound. So it will work really nicely if you want to just highlight the beginning of the new scene like this. That's really good. Then if you go to rhythms, if you want to have something, this is a nice chilled rhythm section, we can probably use that as well. And the other sections you can find on the left hand side are your sound effects over here, hits and transitions. We'll be introducing more and more sections as the time goes. Those are the sounds coming from all the packs that you own. But for now, we have only those two, moods and the events, tagged and ready to be used within the app. As the following weeks goes, you'll be seeing more and more packs over here, both the packs that you already own and the ones you don't have yet, and you'll be able to preview all of the sounds from all of the packs in here. If you don't want to be distracted by the sounds you haven't purchased from us, if you don't want to be seeing them, you just flick it over here and you will not be shown, you will not be distracted with the sounds that you don't own. If you have any questions or suggestions, or if you see any bugs, you can report it in this quick form. Just type in here and click submit, and that will go straight to our system and we'll be notified and we'll get back to you with an email. That's about it. If you have any questions, then please let me know. I hope you enjoy our new app, and I'm looking forward to hearing back what you think, if you like it and if you have any suggestions. So let me know how you get on. Thank you.